Something has entered our solar system, and it didn't arrive like a visitor. It didn't announce itself with fire, with sound, or with the chaos we expect from the universe. It slipped in quietly, precisely, moving faster than anything we should be able to explain. At first, astronomers dismissed it as another icy fragment drifting from the outskirts of deep space. A curiosity, nothing more. But the longer they observed, the less sense it made. They call it 3 Atlas. And what it has already shown us is rewriting the rules of astronomy. Its final transmission, captured only weeks ago, has left scientists pale, unsettled, and silent. Because what they found is not just strange. It is impossible. This story begins the way most cosmic mysteries do, with a faint speck of light. In June, the Atlas Observatory detected the object while scanning the sky for threats to Earth. At first glance, it was small, faint, unremarkable. But an amateur astronomer, poring through old sky surveys, realized the object had already appeared before. Hidden in the background of archived images, always faint, always moving too fast. The trajectory was clear, it wasn't bound to our sun. It wasn't local. This was interstellar. Only 2 such objects have ever been detected before, Oumuamua in 2017, and Borisov in 2019. Both stirred global fascination, both vanished as quickly as they came. But this one is different. 3 Atlas is faster, brighter, and behaving in ways that defy the natural order of comets and asteroids. Its velocity alone raises alarms, over 150,000 miles per hour, accelerating in a way gravity cannot explain. It moves not like a rock tumbling through space, but like something with control. Unlike the chaotic spin of comets, 3 Atlas rotates steadily, as though stabilized. Unlike Borisov, which shed material explosively as it neared the Sun, 3 Atlas holds itself together with uncanny precision. Then came the James Webb Space Telescope. When its instruments locked onto the object, astronomers expected the usual, a frozen nucleus, a cloud of dust, a heat signature from solar radiation. Instead, Webb found stability. Too much stability. The surface reflected light like metal or glass. Its temperature held steady, far steadier than natural ice could maintain. Even stranger, faint radio pulses emerged from its spectrum. At first they seemed like noise. But as the data accumulated, the pulses revealed patterns, mathematical intervals, sequences resembling primes, ratios found in Fibonacci spirals. Not random. Not natural. If it were only the light or only the speed, scientists could explain it away. But the patterns suggest something else. A design. A message. Or both. Its path through the solar system deepens the mystery. Instead of a random flyby, its trajectory bends with uncanny precision. In October 2025, it will pass near Mars, threading through gravitational influences with a grace that feels more like navigation than accident. Then it will skim closer to the Sun before swinging outward again, set to cross near Earth's orbital path in December. Not close enough to strike. Just close enough to be seen. Almost as if it wanted to be noticed but never feared. That alone might be dismissed as coincidence. But then the transmission came. Webb's instruments picked up a structured signal. Not a beacon in the traditional sense, but a modulation across frequencies, layered like code. And within that code, some researchers claim, are sequences that mirror Earth-based measurements, intervals that align almost perfectly with our seconds and minutes, ratios that echo the orbits of Jupiter's moons. As if the object has been here before, studying us, waiting until our technology could finally notice. Then, silence. The pulses stopped. The signal flatlined. And yet the object continues to move, steady, deliberate, gliding deeper into the inner system as though nothing happened. What unsettles the scientific community most is not the possibility of alien design. It is the possibility of intent. If 3 Atlas is a machine, then it was built by someone, somewhere. Built to last billions of years. Built to endure the emptiness between stars. And built to arrive here, now, just as humanity has learned to see. Theories spread quietly behind closed doors. Some believe it is a messenger carrying information across the void. Others suspect it is an observer, studying our reactions, measuring our fear. A few whisper the most unsettling possibility of all, that it isn't sending data outward at all. It's sending it inward. Into us. Into the minds that stare at it, analyze it, and obsess over it. Because what if the message isn't meant for machines? What if it's meant for us? The silence that follows 3 Atlas is louder than its signal. It suggests finality, completion, as though the object has already done what it came here to do. Whether it was a test, a handshake, or a warning, we may never know. But one thing is undeniable. It is here, it is watching, and it has forced us to confront the most terrifying question of all. We are not alone. And perhaps we were never